Alright guys, here's how I fixed the PS4 controllers not connecting to the PS4. I haven't used my PS4 in 1 year, but yeah, look, there's this thing here. You hold down that button, there's a button in there with like a paper clip or something. That's the first thing you should try. If that doesn't work, use a bunch of new chargers. Like you need a data cable, not just a charger, but like an actual PS4 charger. So maybe you lost it or something, but just try a bunch of these. Plug it in, plug it into the PS4 and try it. If that doesn't work, then your PS4's Bluetooth thing inside is cooked and just throw your PS4 away because PS4 is trash. But nothing, not even that was working. So what I did to fix it was you press the PS4 button, hold it down until you hear a second beep. See, now there's the second beep, and that should put you into safe mode. And just plug in your data cable or whatever cable into the PS4 and then into the controller. Now it's plugged into the controller, and you can see it's turning orange and it's charging. So press the PS4 button. Now it's on, you see? We're in safe mode. So now look at this screen. Alright, so now it's showing all these stuff. We're in safe mode. So go down to this one. And the only way to go down is if your controller works. And using not the sticks, but the other buttons, the arrows, to go down and up. You gotta use these right here, up and down. So go down to this one and press X. So here it says might take a few hours. It's not. It's gonna take like 2 minutes. Just press OK. And wait for it to restart your PS4. As you can see, the PS4 is turning back on. And then it shows this rebuilding database. And it says 90 seconds. And when you get to this screen, press the PS4 button. If it still doesn't work, make sure the cable's inside. And then now everything works. See? If this doesn't work, you're probably cooked. And throw your PS4 away. But after a year, I just started messing around with the safe mode options. If your controller doesn't work there, it's over. But yeah, make sure you have a good cable. Just start spam using a bunch of them. And make sure they're data cables, not just a charging cable. But yeah, peace.